Alright guys, I have an unboxing here as the title in this video states. It's a Zippo unboxing also as the title states. And I'm gonna unbox it just now. You may move the camera a little bit down like that, yep. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright, here's the box. Nothing else inside. If you want to look. So here's the lighter, the box. Let me get this open. And then here is the Zippo Meadow. This. How to fill a Zippo lighter, warnings, guarantee, and advertising. It goes in here. It's really nice. I really like this. Feels really nice to finally have one of these. So, thanks for watching. This is the Creeperkilla, signing out.